Hello! Today we're going to be making a pen out of Northern Catalpa, which is this blank right here. I've already got tubes in there. I've got it put up in the lathe already. I've got my grains lined up with the black mark you see right there. That way when I put it together I can still keep the grains lined up in the assembly. Catalpa is a really interesting wood. The grain pattern on this stuff is really nice looking. When it's all sanded smooth and finished, it has a really shiny pattern to the grain. This one should look quite nice. This one I'm going to put with a pencil kit actually, and I'm going to probably use a gold kit I think on this one when it's all said and done. But let's get to it and make a pencil out of this. There we go. Let's give it a final look, make sure we didn't burn through the finish anywhere. So Catalpa has a really unique grain pattern to it, and it is very, as it looks dark from one angle and like goldish color from another angle. It's truly a unique wood to work with. Doesn't look like I burned through the finish anywhere. I can see the really nice grain pattern of this one coming out. You can tell the grain pattern on this thing goes many different directions, and there's some other cuts of this wood that it's even more wavy than this one. You can see here there's a little knot that went through, which is fine. Just managed to keep it. Nothing happened to the wood there, which is good. I don't see any tool marks on it. This one's good to go. I just got to put it together with a golden pencil kit, and you'll get this. You'll see this on my website on Etsy. If you're interested in purchasing this one, feel free to drop in and even chat if you want to, either through YouTube or through Etsy. Yeah, either way. Have a good day.